Hello everyone, this is KZIS from China. Today, I will introduce an online ORP sensor. The KWS-500 ORP is a key indicator for measuring the oxidation or reduction capacity of water. The KWS-500 is made with a patented long-life ORP electrode and has a built-in temperature sensor for automatic temperature compensation. It uses an RS-485 interface and supports the Modbus RTU protocol, making it easy to connect to PLCs, industrial control computers, 4GDTUs, and other devices. This sensor is suitable for ORP monitoring in applications such as wastewater treatment, hydrological monitoring, swimming pools, and surface water. Below is the product specification table for your reference. Installation and wiring. First is the installation part. The multi-parameter version of the ORP sensor I have. It needs to be installed approximately 30 centimeters below the minimum water level, and care must be taken to avoid bumping the probe during installation. Another type of sensor has an installation thread on top, with a thread size of G3/4. But horizontal installation, or installing the electrode facing upward, is not allowed. Next is the wiring part. The sensor is equipped with an aviation connector. We use a 4-core twisted shielded cable. The wiring sequence is clear. Red connects to the 12 to 24 VDC power line. Black connects to 0 volts, GND. Green connects to 485I, and white connects to 485B. Now, we will start the wiring. After completing the wiring, be sure to double-check the wiring sequence and power supply voltage before powering on. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed, and the user's cable should have good corrosion resistance to ensure long-term stable operation of the system. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. After confirming that the sensor wiring sequence is correct and the installation is properly secured, now we can proceed to power on. Next, I will demonstrate how to use Modbus commands to read the sensor address and measurement values. The sensor's default communication parameters are a baud rate of 9600 bps, 1 start bit, 8 data bits, no parity, and 1 stop bit. The default sensor address is 0x01, and the broadcast address is 0xFF. If we do not know the sensor address in advance, we can first access it using the broadcast address. First, check Checks Display, Hex Send, and Modbus CRC verification. Then click Open Serial Port and send the command FF0330000001. Click Send by checking the sensor's response frame. The address can be read from the high byte of the response data, confirming that the sensor address is 03. According to the manual, the sensor's measurement value is stored in register 0x2, 600 and occupies 2 registers, while the temperature value is stored in register 0x2400. Next, using the obtained sensor address 03, send the commands 03032, 600002 CRC, and 030324000002. CRC to read the measurement value and temperature value respectively. Click Send. In the data returned by the sensor, (748 1443) represents the ORP data, and 3dB18F41 represents the temperature data. These values are floating point numbers in DCBA format. Taking ORP as an example, first rearrange DCBA into a BCD to obtain 4384A E74. Then use a base conversion tool for the conversion. Click Convert, and the ORP measurement value is 265.36 MV. Other measurement values are converted in the same way. And maintenance details, please refer to the product manual. For more information on other functions, data conversion algorithms, calibration procedures. After watching, if you need more product details or assistance with model selection, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.